Black diamonds, also called carbonado, are some of the rarest and most mysterious gemstones in the world. Their deep dark color, opaque structure, and unique formation make them very different from classic white diamonds. Because of these special features, many people often confuse real black diamonds with cheaper alternatives such as black spinel, onyx, glass, or even lab-treated stones. The good news is that you don't always need advanced laboratory tools to get an idea of whether your black diamond is real. There are several simple tests you can try at home to identify the authenticity of your stone. While these methods are not as precise as professional gem testing, they can give you strong clues before you take your stone to a jeweler. Number 1, the fog test, breath test. One of the simplest ways to test your stone is the fog test. Hold the black diamond close to your mouth and gently breathe on it as if you were fogging a mirror. A real diamond disperses heat very quickly, so the fog should disappear almost instantly, within 1 to 2 seconds. A fake stone, such as glass or quartz, will stay foggy for longer. This is an easy and safe first test, and it doesn't damage your gem. Number 2, scratch test, hardness check. Diamonds are known as the hardest natural substance on Earth, with a hardness rating of 10 on the Mohs scale. This property can be tested at home. Use the black diamond to gently scratch a piece of glass or mirror. If it leaves a clear scratch, it's likely a real diamond. If it doesn't scratch, or if the stone itself gets damaged, then it's probably fake. Note: do this test carefully, especially if your stone is already set in jewelry, to avoid damaging the metal or the setting. Number 3, water drop test, density check. Black diamonds are dense and heavy compared to other stones of similar size. Fill a glass with clean water. Drop the stone into the glass. A real black diamond will sink quickly to the bottom due to its high density. A fake stone, such as glass or resin, may float or sink slowly. This is another non-destructive and simple way to test at home. 4, examine under light or magnification. Even though black diamonds do not sparkle like white diamonds, they still have a special reflection. Under a bright light or magnifying glass, look for tiny cracks, inclusions, or metallic reflections. Natural black diamonds usually contain many imperfections, which are part of their unique charm. If the stone looks too perfect, smooth, and uniform, it may be an imitation or lab-created diamond. Number 5, weight comparison. If you have a precise scale, weigh your stone and compare it with another gemstone of similar size. Real black diamonds are heavier than other stones like onyx, quartz, or spinel. This simple weight check can sometimes reveal a fake. Number 6, check the reflection. While black diamonds do not produce rainbow-like sparkle like white diamonds, they reflect light in a subtle metallic or silvery way. If the stone looks completely dull, flat, or glassy with no reflection, it's most likely a fake. Testing a black diamond at home is not difficult. By using simple methods like the fog test, scratch test, water test, and close examination under light, you can get a good idea about whether your black diamond is real or not. However, remember that these tests are not 100% accurate. For complete certainty and to know the true value of your gem, you should take it to a professional jeweler or a gemological laboratory. Real black diamonds are rare, valuable, and fascinating gemstones. With these easy at-home tests, you can protect yourself from imitations and truly appreciate the uniqueness of this mysterious stone.